some Greek yogurt, vanilla. I'm gonna have my super seeds. This is the chia flaxseed meal and whole hemp seeds. 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of omega-3s, and 8 grams of fiber. It's actually pretty good. And then I'm gonna have some roasted and salted almonds, fire. And then I'm gonna have a banana too. I'm waiting for DoorDash to arrive with my order, and so I can make some cauliflower wings and make some chicken wings for my daughter. And then I'm gonna head out to the gym right here on property. I'll show you that. But girl, this here is fire. It's so good if you want to just make a thing of like rice. So good if you want to make some pasta. So good, it comes out fluffy. So I don't have a link because I went to Ross and this is where I got it. And it was $14.99, but ladies, it's by Dash mini rice cooker. You know what? I might be able to find a link. So if I find a link, I'll put it in the video description. And then I got this at Target. Ladies, you gotta get this. I'll put a link in the video description as well for this. Fire, 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 fire. I bought this at the Goodwill, so I don't even know where to get this, but these I really, really like. And then this is the Ninja Bullet, fire. So I'll put a link. I think I got it at Target. I'm not sure. Or Walmart. I don't know. I'll find a link and then those will be there. And yeah, so basically I'm just gonna put a spoonful, just like a little spoonful, probably 2. So I'll put 2 spoonfuls of that. The yogurt is 3 spoonfuls. And then I'm gonna put like a handful of almonds, and they're salted, I like that. And then I'm going to put this banana and then mix it up. I can't be doing this like this in POV because it just doesn't, it's hard to do it in POV style. But basically just mix this up. It's fire, it's so good. So good. Yeah, so let me fix this. Let me give you a backstory on like what I'm in a 1-bedroom, and I set up the front area as like a studio, and then I set up the master bedroom as a traditional bedroom. But so I was paying on 2 leases for 3 months, one in Boston and one here in California. And you know, it was very expensive. So that's why we're in a 1-bedroom, and then we're moving to the #1 school district in Fresno, California. So a 1-bedroom is fine, and then in May we're going to be moving, and we'll have something a little bit bigger, and we'll be there for 4 years. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. And we're real laid back. We like to read, we like to watch movies, listen to music together. We're super laid back. So I like our like lounge kind of like area because we like to lounge a lot. All right, so I put the cauliflower, you see that, ladies? I put the cauliflower here. And honestly, it's helping with my abs, like #no hype. Like I'm not sucking in, like I'm not even trying, like for real. All right, so I have the panko. I don't know why I say it with the accent. I think it's panko, but when I look at it, I think banko. I don't know. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cauliflower, and you gotta let the cauliflower sit for a little bit. And so I'm gonna make this, I'll have this when I come back from the gym. We're gonna go do some weight lifting in the gym. And then we'll come back and have cauliflower. Okay, so this is the gym here. And here are all the free weights. And then here's this. So we're gonna do some sprints here because it's too dark to go around the city. And then we're gonna set up this. So